So this is a really quick way of cooking scrambled eggs on a hob. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk. A grind of pepper. And a grind of salt. Give it a good mix. And just make sure that the egg yolk and white has mixed. Place a pan on the hob. Add a small amount of oil. Let's wait for a few seconds just for the oil to get hot. Once your oil has come to temperature, pour your egg into the pan. Then using a balloon whisk, we're using a silicone one here so it doesn't damage our pan, very gently stir it around. And you can see it's starting already. Just be patient. Really doesn't take long. You can see it coming together. You can use a saucepan for this or a frying pan, whichever's easier. And now we're just going to turn the heat off and just allow it to cook for the last couple of minutes. And that's it. Ready to eat scrambled egg. A healthy, delicious meal cooked in less than 2 minutes.